At ZETA, we offer two options for the BMRT's configuration. The following video depicts option A, BMRT with Weld-In Flange. Your delivery package should contain the following elements: a Weld-In Flange, a mixing head, a drive unit, a set of O-rings, and the operating manual. Please note, the Weld-In Flange is delivered separately before the rest of the BMRT. It needs to be unpacked without using sharp objects to not scratch its surface. Here you can see the Weld-In Flange's engraving. It consists of the part number, the heat number, and the material code. Moreover, on the Weld-In Flange, there is only one pin on one side. As a next step, we unpack the mixing head. But before doing so, let's put aside the drive unit, the Weld-In Flange, and the O-rings. In the packaging of the mixing head, you will find a plastic bag containing additional components. Also safely packaged, on the one hand, here we have the inner bearing made of zirconium oxide. And you can find an engraving of its lot number on its bottom. On the other hand, we have a retaining bolt, which looks like this. Next, let's unpack the mixing head. On it, you'll find a banderole with the production number as well as the lot numbers of the inner and the outer bearing. This number allows for a traceability check of the mixing head and its bearings. The mixing head consists of 3 mixing blades, a magnetic outer rotor, 1 hub, and an outer bearing press fitted into the hub. Next, we take the packaging of the O-rings and securely open the tape. Inside of the packaging, you'll find a set of 2 differently sized O-rings. The smaller one to be placed in the groove of the retaining bolt. The larger one to be placed on the Weld-In Flange. Finally, let's look at the drive unit. On it, you'll find 2 nameplates, one with ZETA's production information regarding the delivered magnetic agitator. It consists of the following information: product name, type, project number, construction year, weight, tag number, speed range, and serial number. Please note that the project number, the tag number, and the serial number are pertaining to the project for which you've ordered our equipment. And the other nameplate contains technical specifications of the motor itself. Should any questions arise, don't hesitate to contact us directly via the following QR code or email address. Thanks for watching.